Hello everyone, for those who ears to hear me, you hear, I hope you hear me, and I receive again a message from the Lord. I fall asleep shortly, maybe around 30 minutes because the Lord have a message, so I would like to share. I saw myself, I was with together first in my dream, I saw myself together with my friend Jolisa, and she was talking to me about, she said, I saw someone came to me and I pitied her. And I talked to her because she wears, according to my friend Jolisa, she said she wears rug clothes, like, like homeless person. And my friend Jolisa asked her, how old are you? And she said, she's like around 23 years old. And, like a beggar on the street. And then, um, my my friend then beat to her, so she have like, my friend Julissa have like a little coins. She gave it to her, for food. It's just little amount because it's the only she have. My friend only have that amount, and that's why she give it to her, because she is so poor, according to my friend Julissa, and she needs, or she's hungry and she wears rug clothes. And according to my friend also Julissa, she said like she's around 23 years old, but she looks old because, like of her rug clothes or dirty clothes. That's what I saw. And I mean, that's what I saw in my first dream. And the end of that, my friend Julissa said, then the Lord reveals to me, I mean, that's what he said. Then the Lord reveals to me, it was the Lord. That poor lady, around 20 years, 23 years old, is the Lord testing my friend Jolisa. And this is a warning for all of us because, we should not avoid those people, especially the homeless people who ask help for us, because it might be the Lord. And the Lord tests our hearts. So beware, people. That's the lesson there. The second dream, I saw myself. It looks like I was together again with my friend Julissa. We were like on a. It looks like a big boat. We're on board, the two of us. I saw very few people, maybe around 3 or 5 or something like that. Very few. So this is a really warning. I saw then it was the center of that boat, or the big boat. I saw like, they have this mini bakery, just mini, and or is, the mini bakery is just small. And I saw then there in that center I saw also like there look like, this look like a TV screen, or it's actually it looked like a phone. So that's it, or an Android phone, but it's a size of, like a big TV screen, but the phone, or that thing stands like really like a phone, like stands straight like a phone. So I was then like touching it, and someone said, or a male person said, yes, you can touch it like really like it's like a phone. You can search as well, as he said. Then someone hand over me, uh, it is a, I do believe it is a DVD, yeah, hand over me, and he said, she said, this is the Independence Day, may you watch the Independence Day. And I told her, I already watched that a couple of times. That's what I've said. And then, as I've said to her that way, I went to that big, touchscreen phone on the center, and I played the music, which is I always hear is every day 24 hours. The the KJV, or the Bible verses I share here. Mostly I hear it every day because I want to be connected to God. So that's why I'm on the Bluetooth, headset, because I always hear, or listen the worship songs of the Lord, and it played in my dream. It played in there, in the Bible verses, worship songs in the dream. And there's like something at the end of the dream before I wake up, but it's hard to I mean, I will not just include that, but that phrase, or in that particular dream, in that scene, I would like to interpret the Lord means. The second, the first dream about is a Abigar. Abigar represents the Lord, and the Lord tests our hearts. We if we help the Abigar, asking for help for us, and my friend got Peter her in her dream. I mean in my dream, and she helped her even in her only coins. So the Lord tests her heart and reveals then afterwards to her that it is the Lord. So be careful, everyone. And also, the second part, the boat stands for the rapture, who is ready. That's the thing. And then the second part, which is the DVD, who that person, the lady, and hand over me the Independence Day movie, which I said I already watched that. It's about the end of the world. Remember, the Independence Day is about the end of the world. I saw it in the invasion of the aliens. And a part of, I saw it. It's about, I believe, I saw it from the past, but it's about the end of the world. For those people who watch it. And then the third one, which when I clicked or played the music, the worship song in the big cell phone or touch screen, which represents the worship song to the Lord. And this means that few people I saw on board on that ship, which means some people only got into that boat, which are ready for the rapture. The Lord warns us that we need to be ready, because maybe all of the people right now, because of what's going on in the world, in my own opinion, we're always watching the news, and you might be left behind because of that. You need to make your way back to the Lord and seek the Lord more often than whatever you watch daily, especially when you watch the news. The Lord don't want us to to do that. If we watch it just a few, I only read articles of the news or something, like when I go to YouTube, but the Lord really doesn't want me to scroll. So I end up doing that, like then I ask forgiveness to God, because the Lord doesn't want us to go there. We need to focus to the Lord, the news of the Lord, not the news of the world. We know it is written already in the Bible, so we should be ready for ourselves to be cleansed, be a part of the rapture. We should do our business to God, not to this world. So I hope you really understand what it represents, my dream, and I'm sharing this because the Lord given me a while ago the dream. So I'm sharing for those who ears to hear me here. Keep praying and repenting heartily the Lord Jesus Christ, and seek Him now while He can still be found.